Hotcakes Vegan Snack Foods. Today I'm going to show you how to make tofu ricotta. This is one of my favorite go-to dishes. It's really simple, it only takes a couple minutes, and it's an excellent substitute for mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, or any kind of Italian dish that you would use cheese. So first we're going to dump out the water from this pack. And then we're just going to let the tofu sit on a paper towel for even just 10 minutes will make a difference. So first I'm going to preheat my skillet here. I'm just going to light it. I'm going to put it on like medium. And I'm just going to wait a couple minutes until it warms up. And I'm going to know it's warm by hovering my hand. So we're going to saute an onion, and then we're going to add some other fresh ingredients. I'm just going to do a little swirl of olive oil. You can use grapeseed oil too. Grapeseed oil is great for sauteing. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, and it cooks really well at high temperatures. So I'm just going to get my pan coated here, and I might need a touch more olive oil. It's probably about a half a tablespoon. And we'll let the oil heat up a little bit too before we add the onion. So now I'm going to add half of a yellow onion. So for the onion, we're just going to saute it until it starts to become translucent, and then we're going to add some garlic. This recipe calls for a total of 5 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put actually 2 cloves, raw and uncooked, in with the tofu that I've already crumbled. And you just crumble this with your hands. Clean hands are a great kitchen tool. And you can see that it's kind of chunky, like a ricotta cheese would be. So that's almost done, the onion. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this garlic. And this is 3 cloves chopped garlic. That's almost done. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit so it doesn't burn. And we're going to move over here. So the other key ingredient to this recipe is spinach. So spinach is one of my favorite things to cook with. It's really good for you, and it adds a nice flavor. This is 2 cups of organic spinach. It's just chopped, so we're going to toss that in. So the onion and garlic are done. So I'm just going to and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon oregano, 1½ teaspoons sea salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Just a taste. The black pepper is just a taste. And I always use fresh ground black pepper because it has much more flavor. This is a 4th cup cornflake breadcrumbs. And then this is a 4th cup nutritional yeast. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. It's ready to put on top of your pizza, and it's so fresh. Voila, we're done. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this tofu ricotta.